Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore how to calculate the Pearson correlation coefficient in Microsoft Excel. This is a great tool for analyzing the relationship between two variables. Let's dive in. Suppose we have a sample data of 10 students with the number of hours they studied and their scores in a particular subject. We want to find out if there is a correlation between the hours studied and the scores. To calculate Pearson correlation coefficient, we'll use correl function in Excel. We can also use Pearson function as well. For correl function, the syntax is correl array1 array2. In our case, array1 is the hours studied column and array2 is the scores column. Let's type in our formula is equal correl comma select the first column comma select the second column, press enter, and we get our correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient is 0.9, which indicates a strong positive correlation between the hours studied and the scores. This means that as the hours studied increase, the score also tend to increase. If the correlation coefficient tend towards 0, this means that there exists a strong negative correlation between the hours studied and the scores. Remember to always check your data and interpret your results carefully. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.